Hi, my name is CHARMENE VILLEGAS and I'm going to answer the part 1 number 1 and part 3 number 1.
First, solve this one. S squared because of this. So this is the Laplace transform of this. Plus 3 on the outside in this. The Laplace transform for the second one, plus 3 again on the outside. Laplace transform plus x is equals to 2 over s because of this. So again, we need to substitute. Cancel all the zero. Then write the remaining value. After this, I need to extract the x to the s in the following. Then I simplify this one and transpose this here, the x plus 1 cube. Then I'll do the partial fraction with repeated roots. This all, I write the equation of A, B, C, and D here. Then I simplify it again. For this one, I'll get the equation with cube. Only the a and b has a cube for the equation 1. Then, I get the equation with squared. Only the 3a plus c plus 2d is the equation 2 with squared, sorry. Then, I'll get the third equation with single power. This will remain the 3a plus b plus c plus d. And for the a is with coefficient only. Then, for letter D to substitute a to first equation to get d. Then, I substitute the value of a and b to second equation to get the value of c. Here's the explanation. So now, we can get the value of c. Then, I'll substitute the value of a, d, and c to get the b. Now I get the value of b, a, b, c, and d. Then I'll transfer it to here. So x to the s is equals to 2 over s plus negative 2 over s plus 1 cube plus negative 2 over s plus 1 squared plus negative 2 over s plus 1. Then it can be the answer, but I can simplify it by Laplace transform s to the x to the s to x to t equals to 2 negative t squared e raised to negative t minus 2 t e raised to negative t minus 2 e raised to negative t. Therefore, this will be the final answer for this equation. Thank you. For part 3, number 1, I have to solve this and get the coefficient of a, b, and c, which is a is equals to 1, then b is equals to negative 4 since it's minus, then c is equals to positive 4. For the second order non-homogeneous Cauchy Euler, this is the formula. Then I need to substitute the value of a, b, and c. After this, I need to solve it. Then, we need to simplify it. need to factor it. So that we can get the value of R1 and equals to 4, R2 will be equals to 1. Now it can be YC is equals to C1 Z raised to 4 plus C2 Z. Now I can get going to the variation of parameter. Here, I need to write this so it can be clear. Then this is the formula. Y double prime plus P to the X Y prime plus Q to the X Y prime no Y, only Y equals to G to the X. Then this will be the formula. Then I'll rewrite the problem. Then I'll multiply both sides by 1 over z squared. Yan, to be fit with the formula. Then this will be the new equation. Y double prime minus 4 over z y prime plus 4 y over z squared is equals to z cube e to the z. Now we can get the Wronskian. To get the Wronskian, we need to put the R1 here and R2 here and get their derivatives. Here and derivative. Now we can multiply it. Just a cross multiply. Now equals to z raised to 4. I'll just rewrite this one to be clarified. Z raised to 4 minus 4 z raised to 4 is equals to here negative 3 z raised to 4. I'm just rewriting this one to here so that you can see it clearly. Now we can get yp1 and yp2. But first, we get the yp1. And here's the formula for yp1. Then we need to substitute it again. where came from. Then this one came from this. And I'll simplify it again. Since it's got the same, and we need to cancel it. Then z raised to 4 over 3, and now we get the integral of e raised to z dz. So therefore is yp1 is equals to z raised to 4 e raised to z over 3. This will be the yp1. I use another paper for yp2. Let's write the second formula. After this, let's substitute the following. Then, we can simplify it. Now, we were getting the integration by parts. Write the u and du. U is equals to z cubed, while du is equals to 3z squared. Then write the dv and v. dv is equals to e raised to z dz, and v is equals to e raised to z. Then write the answer. Just by multiplying it, we can get the answer. I just use a little shortcut by this, but it's easy to identify. Since it's not yet simplified, we'll get another integration by parts. Write the u and du. U is equals to z here and dv equals to e to the z. V is equals to e to the z. Substitute the answer. Again, another integration by part to simplify furthermore. u and du. U is equals to, then dv is equals to, now we will put the value for this. I'll make it up so you can see it clear. Then I'll put z over -3 to simplify the value. Then multiply it. I'll multiply it by z raised to 3e z minus 3z squared e raised to z plus 6z e raised to z minus 6e raised to z. Now we can get the y Now that we have yc, yp1 and yp2, we will put it all to get yz equals to simplify it by cancelling the same term. So now y to the z is equals to c1z raised to 4 plus c2 z plus z raised to 3 e raised to z minus 2z raised to 2 e raised to z plus 2z e and raised to z. It could be the answer, or we can simplify it again. For further answer, it could be yz is equals to c1z raised to 4 plus c2z plus column z raised to 3 minus 2z raised to 2 plus 2z z e raised to z. This will be the final answer for this equation. Thank you.